This is the Braunability transfer board, a simple solution to help you get in and out of your car. It's placed right next here to the car seat, and it's an amply sized platform to make a short stopover when you're transferring to a wheelchair, or just a place to sit and when you're standing up or sitting down for in and out of the car. When you're done, you fold the platform up and away, where it's out of the way and discreetly placed, and it won't interfere with you when you're driving. And back here, it's locked in position, so it won't come crashing down if you need to hit the brakes hard. It doesn't matter if you're a driver or passenger. You can have the transfer board installed on both sides of the car. You can even have 2 units in one car if you share your car, for example. And speaking of which, if you do share your car with someone who doesn't use the transfer board, it's out of the way and doesn't hinder the use of the car. In fact, you can even take it out completely if you want to. Installing a transfer board in your car doesn't require any permanent alterations. You can take it out and bring it to your next car if you wish to, and it won't affect the resale value of your car. The Braunability transfer board is a great solution to help you get in and out of your car.